Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we release a video at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you'll be the first to receive the same. Remember to share the video with your friend, your mama, papa, girlfriend, boyfriend, and your side chick and side man. Yes, and post a comment below, even just to post and say, I am here to show your appreciation of the work that we are doing here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. And thanks for being a part of the movement. So, moving on. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we hate criminals with a passion. So here's one of them. This guy name is Dianne Smith. Yeah, aka Froggy. Have a distinct scar on the left side of his face, and him eye go all the way down to him cheekbone. And you know, more or less is a Jamaican do that, you know, telephone cut. I don't know how them come by that thing for, you know, to scar people face like that, and that it's just awful, but terrible people. So this man that you're looking at, his name is Dianne Smith, aka Froggy. Yeah, Froggy them call him on the street, and he's wanted in New York, in Queens, New York, for the murder of Javon Jamison, a Jamaican youth them called Blingers. Yes, and Blingers was killed almost 2 years ago by this man and another man named Christopher King. Christopher King is in custody in New York, awaiting trial for the murder of Jamison. So we are appealing, we are begging, beseeching you Jamaican people in Jamaica and the diaspora, wherever you see this man, to inform the police, whether it's 119 or 911, and let them know that this man is wanted in New York for the murder of Javon Jamison, so that this man can be placed in custody or go straight to the departure home where he belongs. And that's justice. And we say that because we hate criminals with a passion, because there was no reason for this man to kill Blingers, because Blingers was not a threat to him at the time. It was murder, clear murder. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so welcome to part 3 of this eye-opening and unapologetically truth-driven 4-part series into one of the most tragic and politically exploited murders in Jamaica modern history. The brutal rape and killing of Dianne Smith, a student of Immaculate Conception High School in 1983. By now, if you have allowed yourself to get caught up in the optics of lies promoted by the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, you would believe that this man, Daryl, had raped and killed this young lady. And it's nothing but wickedness, well calculated and propagated by wicked, evil, corrupt, devilish set of people from the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. These people are the worst thing that happened to Jamaica. By now, if you have followed part 1 and part 2, you already know that this is not your typical retelling of a crime. This is not tabloid gossip or clickbait drama. This is a truth excavation mission. And we are digging through decades of lies, cover-up and deliberate misinformation planted by those who have made it their life's work to twist tragedy into political ammunition. This is more than a murder case. This is a war for truth. In part 1, we walk you through the raw reality of the crime scene itself, narrated by a detective who was physically present when Dianne's lifeless body was discovered alongside fearless crime fighters like Cornwall Biggerford, Valentine Piggy Williams, Harter Forbes, and the late Dadrick Henry. The facts were clear. There was never any mention of Daryl Vaz, not by the officers, not in the statements, not in the investigation. Yet, in part 2, we show you how, years after the crime, Daryl Vaz's name was manufactured and weaponized by a political force. The PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization saw him not as a suspect, but as a threat to their power, a threat to their lies, a threat to the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, which has consistently used deception and deflection as its core strategy. And now we're in part 3, where the deception will be fully unmasked. This is a part of the journey where we pull back the curtain on those who orchestrate the smear campaign. We will analyze our man who had no connection to a crime suddenly became the central figure in a political motivated attack. We will show you the deliberate tactics, the whisper campaigns, the false leak, and the use of media operatives to shape public opinion and assassinate a man's character, Daryl Vaz. But it doesn't stop there. In this episode, we are also going to take a deeper look at the cost of political lies, not just to the individual, but to the entire nation. Because when the truth is buried to satisfy power-hungry agendas, innocent dies twice. Let me repeat myself. Because when the truth is buried to satisfy power-hungry agendas, innocence dies twice. First with the victim, and then with the people who believe the lie. That's how the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, voters, supporters, and activists live. Them live and breathe lies and wickedness. Let me be clear. This is not about defending any political figure. This is about defending the principle that no one's name should be tied to murder based on a lie. That no citizen should have to live under the shadow of a fabricated guilt just because they pose a threat to the wrong people. So buckle up. Part 3 is where the truth gets louder. This is where we show you how political opportunists try to turn a tragedy into a tool of manipulation, and why their lies must be exposed, condemned, and buried by good people. Justice for Dianne Smith means more than solving her murder. It's also mean protecting her memory from those who have tried to hijack it for political gain. The PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, as usual, at their best, lying, wickedness, everything that is evil is right. When you look at evil in a Jamaican dictionary, you see the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. Everything that's evil, that's them. The truth marches forward. And no lie, no matter how many years it has been allowed to fester, can stand in its way. So, as we continue with part 3, we want you to watch, listen, and decide. Is it still doing? You know, say a woman say $1 go get $1, you know. Just to save the account right to Dadrick. I'm saying, man, Dadrick cost the woman like dog, you know.
Yes, man, I'm do it, man.
Yeah, I tell you, and when the woman called me and I cry, one nurse woman from California. You understand? I tell her, I say, boy, I threw the radiation. You know, you don't know as police and them thing. I say, boy, I threw the radiation and them thing. And them thing, they must have get to him. That's why. Yeah, you understand? Yeah, man. And you know, say, 6,000. And when me don't talk to her, you know, you don't know where all police are who know if to talk to people. When me don't talk to her, man, at $6,000, she said, go get that drink, you know. $6,000, you know. I tell you, you know. Yeah, man, the thing when me do FEMA them thing, man, him make over.
Listen thing, man, me ask people send thing and the thing. And I say, put us one blood, me send You send some people say forgive blood, but they say no, they don't want to eat it again.
I say a $50 Beckless give him. And when him tell me, man, that them work on them thing, when him just tell me, $200 me send give me, you understand? Me know him as a work on them thing, and him do some good work still,
Look, man, that man have a nose if I'm gone.
That's true, man.
Me know him he usually come for mobile thing at West Kingston come work, We work with him, we work together. Yeah. From his people from mobile and thing.
Yeah.
I will work.
Boy.
The man will say, boy, I'm going there, so I'm going there, go down.
He never one brave police do,
Yes, man, you have a same. I tell you, man.
But you know what the chat me still about him though, Piggy, is that the man you said the man rape him own niece or you do something like that, man?
Maybe you about that,
Yeah, man, he up on the channel, man. Him rape him own niece, man. He up on the channel, man. She rape him. All the wife know about it and them thing. And him used to beat the wife every Sunday,
Oh Lord, man.
But well,
the thing is, when I'm getting paid, you go upstairs and spring and then this whole set of them gamble.
And him always lose half his money.
Yeah, losing money and you go home and think all the time. Yes, him beat her, man. Him usually go and bother. Yeah, man, it graphic, man, all that I want to tell her. I want to tell her say the niece talk on him because she say you talk about my uncle or him did that before him bury, Yeah, man, she said, she talk, man, and she talk about all Steve McGregor and them thing. They say when Dadrick got jail and him for write something for him get bail and them thing. And him said Dadrick, Steve McGregor writing it, so Dadrick have green card and all him something. Have to tear up. Cause him say, boy, it's like McGregor don't want him to get bail, Why, man? Me said, when the niece tell me, man, me say, you serious? And she tell me, man. And she said, even all after that and them thing, because she go report it to Garnet daily and then people they pass it in and then cover it up, She said, nothing come out of it, you understand? See. And she said, even after that, when she a bigger man see me, man still want to do with her see me. Her uncle. And say him get one of them brother wife pregnant when a police. The one when I run down?
Yeah, man, the one that got prison up here and them thing there.
Okay.
When a police, him did all load as well and them thing there. Yeah, man, that you get female wife pregnant in brothers.
Say.
Or them do them something there.
But no one will say not do them things.
Yeah, man, the man get it, man. The niece tell me, man. Them call him Uncle Manzi. She say Manzi, yeah, man. She say Manzi, and she say everybody in her family know. All the brother know on them thing there. So you understand? Cause that used to mind her, Yeah, man. Every time when he go with money, he must forget something, Why? All them do all them. Say if me and a man a friend. If me and a man a friend are not even friend, if me and your work and me know say that woman there your woman, so me not even look upon her.
No, you can't do them things. But you turn on yourself, your dignity and them things.
Me I tell you, man. Alright, you have a brother, him come from Jonestown, he used to go Casey, and he used to do Huntsby, and brother named Chambers. He have a nice girl that come from Payne Avenue, near Sharon. And so the man, she come up from in the early 90s. And so the man, all along, the man talk good and them thing, and the man did feast me and him woman there. Tell all the woman that, Yeah, and the woman I tell him, say, look here, of all of the police them where you work at Huntsby, one police will treat me like a sister, a porter. She say a porter came and got me yard and them thing there. And him never yet tell me say me look nice or anything like that. Him treat me like me and my brother and sister. You understand? And that the woman tell him. The woman say you don't know that the man there and them thing there. That's something you raise in a rasta. Now, sir, hey, all the brother when named Nelson, Esther Nelson, where the charged with murder and them thing there. In the 80s. That the man there, the man did have a woman, a girlfriend, and the woman call me, and I tell me, say, the reason why she talk to him because of me, And the woman I tell me, on the phone saying, she want to deal with me, And me I tell her, I say, if you do that, I me and the man a friend.
me and the man upon team and me tell the man I'm going to work and I say, boy, you know, say, boy, I have something to tell you, boy. Me say it to you and them thing. You have to promise me not to say it to her and them thing. And I say, me, I'm going to make you hear me and her attack. And me call the woman the Monday night pan my house phone, you know. Call him first and 3 way her, you know. And the man, and me and her upon it for over an hour, you know. And some things where the woman are saying what she want me to do to her, you know. And me I say, so how you going to feel with my woman and him? She said, oh. And I say, how you going to feel in time we together and them thing there, and, you know, we all go somewhere and eat and all them something. And she said, oh. And me I think about you, you know. Because in time I around him and them thing there, the reason why I'm around him is because I want to around you. And you me really want. So I say, so my girl know. She said, she don't know. So I say, oh, you think more that feel? She said, all you have to do nobody think about it. But are you me want you? Yeah, man. And I tell her, say, me live to see that the same man, you know, after in a COVID, I say, boy, I'm dead. Because the man, you know, him feel mother dead during COVID. And true, me I tell people, say, look here, I'm not a scientist, you know. The man, they must say, boy, vaccination, I vaccine, I save people life. So me encourage people to take it, because me take it. Him take it, you know. And him I tell people not to take it, you know, because I want people to dead. When you get out of...
I try to me take...
Me take the what? Me not a scientist. Me still a go dead one day, so you understand. We know so them wicked, you know, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, man, you know, I just say, go on, the man say, boy, I'm if you dead, sir, because true, I tell the people them to take vaccine in our group. The man say, oh, you know, say you know, you behave like you're some prophet. I tell people, say, boy, you're not scientist and you encourage them to take it because none of we don't know. We can't see things with the naked eyes and all them. And him take vaccine, you know, and him I tell them not to take it, you know. Because guess what? Him say more people for dead because feel mother dead. So me I say that not going to bring back your mother virgin, you know?
I tell you what.
Yeah, man. So in an hour, 83, the girl did not 83 in October? Dianne Smith.
Dianne Smith, somewhere there.
In 83.
What? We know, we spend 1 week up a guys in our Oberman yard, Oberman room, you know.
After she dead?
Yeah, man, they say the killer. I go up there. I go up there. So we supposed to go up there, go intercept and thing, you know, for control, you know.
Alright, so you work the night. I think she dead. It was a Friday morning we find her body, no?
I don't remember how it did, you know, but
in the gully.
Yeah, we work.
Yeah.
And things and we're there and thing and
yeah. So who are you the pan team?
Me for the Fabs.
Art of Fabs, the great Art of Fabs. But I pay that man that the pan at the team now, you know. Yeah, man, I pay a specialist that man, Dadrick Henry.
I don't know if Dadrick or I don't think that Dadrick for them change up. Now we had the two good then change then.
Yeah, man, because that them did say them thing there. Because them say four on the carry upon team after that. Yeah, because yeah, man, because them say boy, a man say boy, there's nobody there for some mercy. Yeah, you understand.
So every time they split up.
Yeah.
They split up. You know? But me a constable and they put all sergeant there, but I'm in charge of the team, you know.
Yeah, man, I said no, so it used to go with me and them thing there. Yeah, man, I said use it. Yeah. Them not fire. When shot a fire, them not go.
Them not.
Yeah,
them ahead.
And anything of them get the praise because them in charge and them love it.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. That's all about. Yeah.
So what did the man you know in time Dianne Smith them find her body?
Yes, auntie man.
So which part to find her body? Which part? I want to get the report. Who reports to them see the body in our gully and them thing then?
I don't remember who really made the report.
Our control.
It's the thing they call it, they run across the thing they track, you know. You have to go through the golf.
The golf course.
Yeah, can't spin golf course there. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I saw. And thing and we go there and see what go on and thing and then.
So you can describe what the body look like when you go there and them thing there?
She had a uniform and it was above and a panty in her mouth. Panty in
what? She what? Describe her complexion and her ear textures and them thing there.
Yeah, yes, she's a little clear skin and thing. You can see some butter bruise for her and thing. Bruise and it bloody.
So she didn't have an Indian in her or anything like that?
Yes. Nice looking Indian royal.
Pretty girl.
Yes.
Yes, big thanks to everyone who reach out via the channel's telephone number to show interest in subscribing to our new platform. One that builds to speak truth to power and impact every single person living in America and around the world. It doesn't matter if you are black, white, yellow, green, blue or red. This message is for all people who believe in freedom, truth and justice. Yes. As we have said before, the name of the new channel speaks for itself. United we win, divided we lose. And you're looking at, most people say that they cannot find it and all kind of things. So now, getting the feedback from most of you people, in which, well, we can't even count the amount of people that reach out to us and leave message. We cannot find it. You have to understand that my voice, this voice is not a voice that has been loved by the powers that be. Because when you speak truth, they try to censor you in every way. But guess what? We're not gonna stop, So united we win, divided we lose. That's not just a slogan. It's a fact. It's a call to rise above fear and stop playing it safe, while the system quietly chews up and spit us out. Even you. Cowards might think they are staying out of trouble by staying silent, but in the end, we just say it runs there spiritually, mentally, financially and politically. So here's the truth. It is better to live a life and die as a free, honest, decent, honorable and truthful human being than to exist as an obedient, broken slave begging for crumbs from a table that was never built for you. For over 400 years, our ancestors, we are taught black people, cried out to a God. They were taught to fear, kneeling and praying to a man in the sky, while their bodies were chained and their minds conditioned. That didn't free them. What did? Knowledge, courage, unity. Men like Taki, who the same maroons in Jamaica kill, chop off his head and put on a pike. Taki is the one why the United States of America exists today as a republic, but they won't teach the white people in America. A black man who took on the British Empire and won. And it's time we walk that same path any bolder. This new channel is not for the weak-hearted, the lukewarm, or for the comfortably numbed. It is for those who know who they are, God's children, defined by nature, fearless by choice. If that's you, welcome on. To the rest, stay away. We don't need friends who are secretly enemies. We don't need deadweight doubters or deceivers. When we say enemies, we're talking about everything that stands against the truth. Lies, manipulation, division, cowardice, and blind obedience. No more lies, no more games, no more silence. This channel is the battleground for truth, and we are not backing down. How many times can they kill us once? Millions of our ancestors has died for this, for the little freedom that we're enjoying. God created every man equal, but some think that they're superior. And those who think that they're superior, just look, not one of them have ever been the fastest one in the world. Their genes are recessive. Our genes are dominant. So please, subscribe to the channel. We know that we are being sabotaged and tampered by the powers that be. But as time goes by, the truth will reveal.
Skin and clear skin and thing and neatly dressed.
Yeah.
And thing and say it look as she was a virgin. It looks so.
Yeah, man, she was, man. The doctor said
the blood and thing, and whatever. it was messy. It was really messy.
Mm-hmm.
It was messy, and I think it looked like strangulation or something. Look, you can see the when I neck them, mark them, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But
So our uniform was up or it was down?
it was up. The uniform was up.
Oh, so you could have see our
Yes.
private part and them thing.
Yes, and the blood and things and
Mm-mm.
panty in our mouth. So well, we realized who she was, and
So the mother came on the scene then.
yes, I go for her.
So where the mother was living?
She we go Governor Terrace and go around in the area there.
Or near grandson them come from?
No, not Ganspen, no. We go up Canal Spring Square and go on Governor Terrace. There's a big area, but it's at that go up like
Like a hill.
a little country part.
Yes. Me know around here.
You know?
Mm.
And that nice little walk come down. A nice little, refreshing walk.
Yeah.
So I walk, she had our two brother them. And then the thing is, our two brother them did a lock back and she got her front.
Oh, the girl?
Yes, two brothers.
So why them the far brother? Why she
She
the
walk ahead, them the lock, she want reach school
early.
And she got ahead of them.
So and them cause them go primary school in a grandson place.
Yes.
Lazy boy them.
Yes.
Mm.
But I try them usually walk together.
Yeah.
But at that moment, that morning,
She walk left them.
she walk well left them. So when I got there, I tell her mother, say, try and talk to her. Before, don't just pack the news like that.
Yeah man.
Just take time and get one and say, well, she in a whatever accident and thing and whatever. And maybe I'm get to tell her, say she just faint train on my hand.
Mm.
Yes, and she's so fat.
Yeah.
And like a dead weight come down for me, and me alone have to try bring her back and thing, and eventually bring her back and put her in the car and thing and come down with her.
Mm.
She come identify the body.
What on a drive then? A Tix?
Yes. No, not Tix. Not Tix. We have one, I think I Opel.
Opel, okay.
I think I Opel.
Mm.
They have a Opel. But Ford did have him Tix, so I Ford have a silver Tix there,
Him keep on care.
Him have himself.
Mm.
Do everything to fix it up and I see him carry that.
Yeah.
and so she did have a sister to work on a guy with the furniture or grand spend over there.
Mm-hmm.
And the mother tell me and me go for her around there too. I'll go by the scene and thing and the big guns them come.
Mm.
The guns them come on and and the smaller fish them now. We up on the outside.
Oh, so the bigger heads them take over in investigation.
Yeah man, and CIA headquarters and Sam Mackey and them one there.
Yeah.
In crime, Sam Mackey was the deputy assistant commissioner inside of crime or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
One of them man there, Terrence Hansen and all about the big dog then.
Yeah.
Them come and thing and
So
pressures are reach them now.
when you go because Troy immaculate and them thing. So initially
Yes.
and the murder scene.
Yes.
So you never what the little brother them say?
Them say them behind. Them not see nothing.
Mm.
Them was behind. Them not see her at all.
So them I see nothing ball out or anything like that?
We don't know. We don't get no evidence on anybody to say them see anything.
Mm. So only come by the suspect for know say him a go for the Obeah and them thing there.
No, them say I don't know how them come by that.
Mm.
They have Shorty, they hold Shorty did that. Go pick Aki.
So
Shorty go pick Aki and they hold up on Shorty.
our police them hold on upon him.
Yes.
The same morning.
What happened? Shorty, Shorty go buck up on the body.
Yeah.
I think a Shorty did make something, Somebody see Shorty in the area.
Mm-hmm.
And attack and hold up on Shorty. Yeah. I think Shorty.
Him call control.
No, I don't control him. Tell somebody, some other person.
Mm-hmm.
And he get word by word amount.
Mm-hmm.
But because a Shorty need to go help himself after the dead body.
A lie.
Yes. That's what I see because with tests go on and thing and them Shorty they have gone away and them find that funny girl and them match to pass to them.
Oh, okay. So him did that, Shorty did have gone away and the rapist have gone away too.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But Shorty said, no, what you want me to wash my wood for so long time, I don't be that in a post and the body down. Yes, them things that come out of evidence,
Mm.
Them things that come out of evidence. And think about W Walker.
WG Walker.
No, not WG, WW.
Mm-hmm.
Tall red Walker. Him drink like a him drink up like a water.
Like a sailor.
That's what he red water, man.
Yeah.
He get information. And
about the rapist where I go up
they're supposed to go up a guy's hill.
Mm-hmm.
Walker is a man when know the area up a guy's hill. If I need there I St. Catherine there's crime man down on the way there. So no.
Yeah.
So them said so now them pick now who figure out the now for deal with the case up there.
Mm-hmm.
So essentially, me, they say me have to go pan a scene this up.
For go up a guys, so no go guys hill.
We got a guy's hill. What we go up to find out? We bar the crossway the road from the man. So we did there up hide the vehicle. We hide the vehicle. And sometimes we don't use police vehicles and we use a private car.
Yeah.
For Daryl them we have really get some Toyota.
Mm-hmm.
And we had them and we did a lookout. With the intention we send them go the departure launch.
Yeah man, cause I saw it go on them thing there. Cause that was a big thing then, you know.
Me was the chief man.
Mm.
He was the man. Them pick Mr. Knight and deal with them.
Yeah.
Them say let Piggy lead that.
Lead the team. Oh, so you're out of Forbes there and them thing there?
Sometimes a man they shift. But me always be.
You always there and them thing there?
Every day I did it, but sometimes a different man. For Watkins, Devon Watkins did it with one time.
Mm.
Hope that night, him not place him a corporal.
But hey, Watkins is thief though, you know, some thief bad though, you know.
Eh?
Watkins thief bad, you know. Yeah man, I tell you man.
Devon Watkins, many father work together too, you know.
Yeah man, hey, Watkins got a bank, you know. Got car rifle, got a bank, half a tree, go collect money from him, you know.
Eh?
When the man, him have him at jail, man. Yeah man, take the man out of jail and got a bank, half a tree. NCB. Me I tell you, go collect Watkins them time they want. Must be deputy soup. You understand?
It's a man like
Them, me I tell you, the man take the man out of jail and carry the man go to jail. Go withdraw money out of one bank account for bribe him. Watkins go in the bank, go do that, you know, in the officer, you know. Devon Watkins, you know. But you see that Matilda's corner, you know. He used to do an organized crime with Reggie Grant. And him go collect the money for him and Reggie Grant, you know. That's what I'm telling you, them and them man, them man they would have kill the next man with a thief and them thing. Me don't know how them do it still, you know. That level of bravery still, you know. For you go in a bank with a man accused, go withdraw him up because Rifle you know try to get a visa for come to America figure one match with Lennox Lewis. And the man they brave, you know, Rifle, you know. I jump the man jump on one ganja case in the 80s, you know, for over 400 pounds of weed, you know, where he did get for Carlos or only the man them thing, you know. And the man I try to get visa for, and you have warrant for you America, you want to come to America, come watch a boxing fight. And him go up to embassy with a bandole name and them thing there. Yeah, and somebody were in a film clique when them call up there and tell them say ma come and so them grab him. And what kiss you man? What why am I telling them man in the easy way though? So it's a but sometime in the day with you and them thing there, what kiss?
Yes. Sometime in the day hunting and but we did for a week and not never go on here, sir.
Yeah.
Not go on, so we abandoned that.
So what was the name of that boy now, the other boy? The name of them.
The name never tell me the name, you know, but they tell me it's a car, what you know, or whatever, a certain car.
Yeah.
So that certain car and them supposed to arm. That was the information you get. The car and the license plate number. So that's supposed to come up.
So it never materialized on them thing there?
No, it never come at all. No, it never come to the man.
So what happened to that boy, you know? That suspect?
Nothing happened. Never held. They just push everything for Shorty.
So call them the Shorty feet, you know?
They put everything for Shorty, but I don't Shorty.
So on the beat it. Robert Samuels did make him beat it, no?
Yes, I know a Shorty, man. I know a Shorty.
So why them charge him and he wasn't him? Just because and although the scientific evidence because scientific evidence it say him have gonorrhea. We have come to the end of part 3 in this auditing truth exposing 4-part series. And by now you are beginning to see exactly why this story had to be told and why the liars who orchestrated this decades-long deception must be called out and held accountable. This is no longer just an investigation into the murder of a bright young student. This is a full-scale dismantling of a web of lies that were intentionally spun to destroy the reputation of an innocent man, Daryl Vaz. Lies that were used as political tools. Lies that were fed to the public by agents of chaos from the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, whose main objective has always been to maintain power by any means, if it means standing on the grave of a murdered girl. That's how despicable, heartless, and wicked these people are. This is the phase where we no longer just expose the liars. This is where we tear them down, brick by brick, mask by mask, until the whole rotten house of deception collapses. The days of eating back and allowing liars to rewrite history are over. The era of silence is done, and now is the time to confront, to condemn, to destroy falsehood with facts. And that's exactly what we have done here in part 3. If you have been paying attention, you have seen the pattern. They manufacture a lie. They plant it in the minds of the public. They repeat it through their mouthpieces in politics and media. And they hope the truth will be buried forever. But what they didn't count on was us. They didn't count on Chris Porter, a youth born and growing a belly, a beast, and have seen how they operate and hated them for how they have destroyed the minds of the people. They didn't count on this platform, the Jamaica Young Police Channel. They didn't count on yours truly. And they didn't count on you to listen. They are waiting audience that refuses to swallow the lies anymore. We are not finished. Far from it. The final blow comes in part 4. That's where everything comes together. That's where the justice stands up. That's where we make it clear. Truth is not dead in Jamaica. It's just been waiting for the right moment to rise. So stay with us. The liars are trembling. Their foundation are cracking. And when part 4 lands, there will be no place left for them to hide. Until then, stay vigilant, stay bold, and remember, truth is the hammer, and every lie is just another nail waiting to be driven in, like how you drive the nail in a coffin. That's all you have to do it to expose these wicked.
Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.